Thanks to extensive knowledge and years of experience of our team, we are experts in modified plastics for extrusion and injection moulding. We also manufacture installation systems for the construction of internal plumbing and heating. The basis of our activity is innovation and high-quality standards, in line with the idea of smart compounding. Thanks to investments in the development of our products and R&D facilities, we are able to push the boundaries of what can be achieved by modified plastics. Our modern laboratories allow us to perform a wide range of tests, both for our own and our clients' needs. The result of our activities are numerous process innovations and over 4,000 proprietary recipes for the modification of plastics and patents. We deliver high-quality material for many industries: automotive, household appliances, construction, furniture, electronical and electronic. Thanks to the advanced solutions of production processes, we provide high-quality materials in response to market needs. We think green. We produce with future generations in mind. Our activity is in line with the concept of a circular economy, in which plastics are recovered and reused as a raw material for the production of modified plastics instead of being disposed. We are ready to take on challenges, constantly raising the standards of partnership cooperation. We guarantee that we will meet all expectations. We are looking forward to working with you.